Once upon a time, there were two sisters named Meera and Sara. Meera was rich and Sara was poor. Meera lived in a big house with many rooms, wore beautiful dresses, and had lots of money. Sara lived in a small, old house and had to work every day just to buy food. Meera was proud of her rich life. She never helped Sara. "Why should I help you?" Meera would say. "You are lazy, and that is why you are poor." Sara worked very hard. She cleaned houses, sold vegetables from her garden, and never complained. She was always kind to others and never asked Meera for help, even though she had little. One day, Meera's business started to fail. Her money began to disappear because she spent too much on expensive things and did not save. Slowly, Meera became poor. She had to sell her big house, her beautiful dresses, and her jewelry. Soon, Meera had nothing left. She was now as poor as Sara. At first, Meera didn't know what to do. She had never worked a day in her life. She went to Sara's small house and knocked on the door. When Sara opened the door, she saw Meera standing there with old clothes and sad eyes. "Sara, I have lost everything," Meera said. "Can you help me?" Sara, kind as always, let Meera in and gave her food. "You can stay with me, Meera," Sara said. "But you will have to work hard like I do." Meera agreed. She started working with Sara, cleaning houses and selling vegetables. It was hard for her at first, but with Sara's help, she learned how to work and save money. One day, a man came to the village looking for workers. He wanted someone smart and good at business. He heard about Sara, who was always kind, hardworking, and honest. He gave her a big job in his company, and soon Sara became rich. Now, Sara had a big house and lots of money. Meera was still learning how to work, but Sara never treated her badly. She helped Meera and showed her how to be smart with money. Meera, who was once proud and selfish, became humble and grateful. In the end, the poor sister became rich, and the rich sister learned the value of hard work and kindness. They stayed close, and both sisters were happy, not because of money, but because they had each other.